Retirement Savings Made Simple, Financial Journey Tips. Hey everyone, welcome back to Financial Journey. Today we're tackling a topic that's on everyone's mind. Retirement Savings Made Simple. Whether you're just starting out in your career or you've been at it for a while, understanding the ins and outs of planning for your golden years is crucial. So let's break it down in a way that makes sense for everyone. Before we dive into the details, let's quickly talk about why retirement savings are a big deal. Picture this. You've worked hard your entire life, and when it's time to retire, you want to kick back, relax, and enjoy life without financial stress. That's where smart retirement planning comes in, and today, we're making it simple. Set clear goals. So, first things first, set some clear goals. Let's say you dream of traveling extensively during retirement. You'll need a different saving strategy than someone who wants to spend their days pursuing hobbies at home. Knowing what you want will help you tailor your savings plan to fit your unique vision. Understand your expenses. Now, understanding your expenses is like creating a roadmap for your retirement journey. Break down your current and future expenses. What's your mortgage or rent? How about groceries, healthcare, and the occasional splurge on a fancy dinner? By knowing your numbers, you can calculate how much you need to set aside for a comfortable retirement. Emergency Fund. Before we jump into retirement savings, let's talk about the safety net, the emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, car breakdowns, unexpected medical bills, you name it. Having an emergency fund ensures you don't have to dip into your retirement savings when life throws you a curveball. Employer-sponsored plans. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many employers offer retirement plans like a 401k, and some even match your contributions. It's like getting free money. Let's say your employer matches up to 5% of your salary. If you earn $50,000 a year and contribute 5%, that's $2,500 from you and $2,500 from your employer. Instantly, you've got $5,000 working for your future. Individual retirement accounts, IRAs. But what if your employer doesn't offer a plan? No worries, that's where individual retirement accounts, or IRAs, come in. It's like having your own personal savings account for retirement, and there are options like traditional or Roth IRAs to suit your needs. Diversify your investments, host. Now, let's talk strategy. Diversification is your friend. Imagine your retirement savings as a basket of eggs. You wouldn't want to put all your eggs in one basket, right? By spreading your investments across different things like stocks, bonds, and maybe a bit of real estate, you're reducing risk and increasing the potential for growth. Regularly review and adjust life changes, and so should your retirement plan. Let's say you start a side hustle or decide to buy a home. These things impact your finances. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your retirement plan ensures you stay on track. It's like a GPS for your financial future. Seek professional advice. Feeling a bit overwhelmed? No shame in that. Seeking professional advice is like having a seasoned guide on your journey. A financial advisor can help navigate the twists and turns, providing personalized advice based on your unique situation. And there you have it. Retirement savings made simple. Start early, set clear goals, and keep an eye on your finances. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with your friends who might need a little retirement guidance. Thanks for hanging out with us at Financial Journey. Until next time, happy saving.